What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to change the engine air filter in a 2021 Honda Accord. Like I said, this is a 21 Accord here, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this Accord we're looking at has the 1.5 liter motor in it. So the engine air filter is located at the front of the motor on the driver's side. It's this piece right here is the housing for it. And there's two clips that hold it on. The first one's here. Just flip it down like that. Second one's here, same thing. Flip it down. Then once you get those two clips undone, we're gonna kind of take this whole top piece off, and there's two tabs in the back that are kind of tucked in. So you just have to wiggle it and you'll kind of feel it come loose. Then once you get it up about that far, you can just reach in here and grab the filter. You can see this tab that my finger's on. It'll kind of help you get it up. But get that filter out of there. And this one's pretty clean. It really doesn't need to be changed. But when you do put your new one in, or before you put it in rather, it's a good idea to grab a rag or something and just wipe out this compartment. Then when you put your new one in, it'll sit in there like that. Down in there. And then these two tabs on the back that I kind of mentioned earlier, here and here, are going to just tuck in. Down here. Like that. And once you get those tucked down in there, you just flip these two clips back up. And this one here, if you want to see, just because it's a little bit different, it kind of comes up and over like this, and then flips up like that. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.